This is Dr. Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd, and one of the things that's so important for writers and authors at whatever level, if this is your first book or you are well into it, is to make sure you've really got your act together, that you're really organized on your computer. So start with a new folder. What's the name of the folder? Oh, that would be your book, all right? Now, within the folder, there's going to be subfolders. I always recommend you have a folder called Old. So anything that's old, okay, I'm done working on it or I'm deleting it, I'm going to tell you, don't delete it. Just move it into the old file, because you know what? In a work document, you may have some gems in there that you could extract and pull out and redo later. Create a folder that is clean. Finished chapters go into this. Once you have done it, you've got your editing done, everything up, just move it into that. You may have a folder that's working, where you're just gathering information and bringing it along. You may have a folder for maybe art. Now remember, art could be tables, it could be grids, it could be maps, it could be photography, it could be illustrations, all kinds of things. They all go into there on that. And then, you know, you could have a miscellaneous. I mean, who knows? But you've got to have a good working file. You need to have what I call a clean file. When I am done, this is where this baby goes. I want to have an old file that I don't want to throw it out totally, because maybe there's something I need to pull from it. Or I've already worked on this file and I'm done with it, so I'm going to move it into that. The more you get yourself organized, the less likely you're going to get in trouble. Because too many times I have seen authors over and over again go back and rework an old file that they've already been done with, and they forget, they get confused. Make sure you label your files. You can always put the latest date on it, or some system that you get and you understand. This is Judith Briles. I'm the Book Shepherd, and please follow me on my Twitter at @MyBookShepherd, and join the Facebook group on Facebook that you have with my name and then the Book Shepherd.